Good morning. This is Shirley from Shirley's World Vlog. It is Tuesday, the 18th of August. And I've made 2 sales to go out today. They came in yesterday. And one is an Orvis beige cotton, 100% cotton fishing shirt. It's long sleeve and it's a men's medium. I'll put a picture on, but here it is. And this sold for $8.50, so that's a really good price for an Orvis shirt. This was made in Hong Kong. It has one missing button on the pocket. There's 2 flap pockets, and one has a missing button, which has been on the description. So, $8.50. And it is going to somebody in South Carolina, Charleston, South Carolina. So that's the first thing out. Tag off here. And I have a thank you sticker on the back. Tell you about, I made a call to Orkin, and they are coming out today. So, let's see, the second thing I sold was a Land's End brown corduroy, new with tags, high-rise pants. These are in a 12T, they're women's pants. It's a nice dark chocolate brown corduroy, and these sold for $9. These were all on sale for 50% off. So that is the second thing going out. High-rise straight leg from Land's End, which is a really good brand. These are going to Noblesville, Indiana. This has a card in. This is a really heavy package, so it's good it's only going to Indiana from here, which is Ohio. Yeah, those 2 things going out. And, whoop. I have, Samantha came over yesterday mainly to put the fence up for me that I got. I got a nice high fence that goes from the kitchen area, goes up 2 steps, and then into the old part of the house, which is the part of the house where the cat is, so that the dog doesn't keep molesting the cat. I wanted a gate there. And those pressured gates, those wooden gates, it didn't work at all. My dog knocked those down a couple times. So I got this really nice, it's by Cambor, C-U-M-B-O-R, and it screws into the woodwork. This isn't just a pressure one. This is substantial, and it's the highest one that they have. So the dog can't stand and go over it at all, and it's really good. It has an automatic close. If you open it all the way, it stays open. If you open it just a little ways, you know, it automatically closes behind you. You don't have to close it yourself. So it's really nice. I'll try to put a picture on of the fence. I think I can do that too. So that's what she mainly came, and she did some other cleaning, and then she's coming back on Wednesday. Mainly to go to, I need some things at Target and to go pick up my end of the month shopping things that I need. They're mainly non-grocery things, so yeah, that's what we're gonna do. And that's my ship with me for today. I do have a Bible verse. I heard this one yesterday, Psalm 119:11. It's just a small little verse, but it says, "Your word I have hidden in my heart, that I might not sin against you." So that is today's Bible verse, and I hope to see you tomorrow.